What to do when your Wi-Fi connection says connected but you are not getting any internet? Well, here you can see currently I am connected to a Wi-Fi and sometimes it will say connected but no internet. So how do I fix that? First things first, you can just turn the Wi-Fi off, wait a few seconds, generally 5 to 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. So now that it's been a good few seconds, turn it back on, and sometimes this will resolve the issue. Secondly, you could just go and turn off the router and turn it back on after a few seconds. But if that also doesn't work, turn the Wi-Fi off, then go to settings. In settings, in the sidebar, you can see we have a network option. Click on network. In network, we want to go to Wi-Fi. Alternatively, you can just click on Wi-Fi, click on details over here, and then on the left side we have TCP IP, and under that we have DNS. Click on DNS, and here you can see no DNS servers. So now we are going to add DNS servers. So click on plus, and the first one we want to add is 8.8.8.8. Click on OK. If you're not on an admin account, you'll be asked to put in your password. Here you can see this DNS server has been added, and you want to add one more, which is going to be 8.8.4.4. Let's click on OK. And now that these two have been added, let's just check it once again if they're added properly. Yes, they have been. Let's turn on the Wi-Fi, and here you can see it is instantly connected. So that is one problem solved. This will also work if your Wi-Fi is frequently disconnecting or is just working slow. So these are a few of the solutions for it. Or else you could also just go to Wi-Fi settings again, go to these three dots on whichever Wi-Fi connection you're connected with, and then forget it and re-enter your password. This could also work by going into details and forgetting this network. If you like the video, do drop a like, share and subscribe.